Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy you've joined us. Today I have for you, I am sharing what I used, one of the mixed fruit cans. Received the mixed fruit from the food bank or pantry, and I made Jello and I put the fruit inside. I made 2 batches. So that is one thing that you can use the mixed fruit with, is to put it in Jello. Now that's a regular, either Ziploc or generic container. But this container here, this is an idea on recycling those containers that the deli meat comes in. You can wash those and use them as containers. Now in these cans, they have on the label, if you're looking for ideas, they even mention making a fruit smoothie blend with 2/3 cup of yogurt or 6 ounces and 4 ice cubes. You can make an ambrosia salad, drain and toss with sliced bananas, vanilla yogurt, and coconut. And then you can use the fruit snack and dessert topper, drain and spoon over yogurt, cottage cheese, frozen yogurt, or ice cream. And then you can find more recipes at delmonte.com, but that's an idea. You can always look at the label. Sometimes they'll give you a website or give you some ideas of what you can use with the canned goods. But I just wanted to share with you, that's what you may already know about mixing the fruit in the Jello, but that's just what I used one of my cans for. And then I have just the generic Cherry Jello, and I was able to make with 2 boxes, 2 batches. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.